What is count in Excel and how to use count function? Excel count function explained. The count function in Excel is a versatile tool that allows you to quickly count the number of cells in a selected range that contain numbers. This function is particularly useful when you need to determine the quantity of numerical data present in a large data set. Excel count syntax. The syntax for the count function is straightforward and easy to remember. Simply input equals count range into a cell, where range refers to the selected range of cells you want to count. Excel count feature. One of the key features of the count function in Excel is its ability to handle both numerical and text values. This means you can use the function to count cells that contain not only numbers but also text entries, providing you with greater flexibility in your data analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, the count function in Excel is a powerful tool that can help you quickly and accurately count the number of cells with data in a selected range. By following the simple steps outlined in this article, you can easily incorporate the count function into your Excel workflow and streamline your data analysis process.